Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You want to see which devices are logged into your Empower accounts? Well, let's check it out in seconds. Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you exactly how to review authorized devices on Empower in under 2 minutes. Let's get in. Now, the first step is to log into Empower. So you're going to open Empower on your web or mobile app and then sign in security. Now once you're in, you go to the security settings. Just click your profile or settings and then select security, or you can find authorized devices. Next, you're going to review device list. So you're going to see all devices that are currently logged in, including date, time, and location of last access. And then from there, you can remove unknown devices. So if you notice anything suspicious, just click remove or sign out to cut access immediately. Final step is to strengthen security. Now, after cleanup, you want to make sure to update your password and to keep multi-factor authentication turned on, because that's going to help you add an extra layer of security to your account. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.